Day number 31, we do start the new week, and it's going to be a slow start for us. No signals, no surprise. Pound Swiss franc, if we got in on Friday, it would have been looking quite good about now. That was the divergence a day too early as we expected, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, you can see a lot of these trades changing their direction, so nothing hanging out there in terms of price. Got to wait for that overstretched trend, catch the reversal, so we'll check again tomorrow. Hopefully get a trade or two some point this week. Here we go, day number 32, eyeing up that New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. We're going to get in here. Saw that big drop off at the end of last week. Now it's consolidated and we've still got the divergence. Let's take our chance. Happy to have a trade when they pop up. Going to need that average true range indicator. 14 periods, 48.8 pips is the reading. And of course, buying the market with 0.18 standard lots. In we go on subtrade A and subtrade B as well. Stop loss and take profit to be set. 488 points, and same again. That 3 times ATR getting right up towards the moving average. Comfortable trade, not necessarily confident in it, but certainly got a shot here. Let's see how it's getting on tomorrow. That'll be the key. Day number 33, we are back in the action, but bad news for us. New Zealand dollar Swiss franc gone. Likely jumped the gun again. Total loss after the swap, $193.94, so that does put us in the red, $9,948.38 on the account. And it'll be interesting to see if we missed out by one period. Obviously going to look at this one tomorrow, see if it's rebounded. And if it has gone back the other way, I do think there's going to be a decision that we no longer jump in immediately from divergence, but just wait a period or two, see how it goes. Though saying that, we did wait here. Wait even longer, maybe be a little bit more careful with it. We do have divergence on the pound Swiss franc, divergence from back here, but yeah, feeling pretty dicey after losing here previously and now on the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So going to wait and see what the next move's going to be. Back tomorrow. Here we go again, day 34, and the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc hasn't turned. It's continued to plummet downwards, really getting to a low now. Still got divergence and still room for more. If we see another drop off like this, really tempting to get back in again. It's dropped about 4.5% here in the last couple of weeks. Very sharp decline, so let's keep an eye on that one. Same with the pound Swiss franc as well. The divergence is long gone there. It's just dropping off again. Otherwise, not much. It's sort of got a signal on the euro Japanese yen, but it's so rangy around here. It's divergence against back there. You can see it's slightly higher, but not good enough to convince us to take a signal. So we got one day left in the week to try and salvage something. Here's hoping. Day number 35, we are finishing the week off. New Zealand Swiss franc, it's dropped again. I want to see one more big drop back against here if we are to get back in. Way too risky at the moment, but it has slowed on the drop. It's so tempting, especially with a reversal candle. But we still got plenty of room from back here on the AD, and we are cautious after getting knocked out. So we'll wait there. The pound Swiss franc, that actually returned today. Wasn't divergence on it yesterday, but that would have been the time. Otherwise, nothing for us. Keeping a close eye on the Australian dollar, US dollar. One big drop here and we've suddenly got some divergence. Although we might have to wait a day even after that drop. We know plenty of these trades feel too early to get into, so watch out on that one. But the US dollar CAD, if this pops up again, we're going in. It's almost up at another new high. Real potential for double divergence here. You can see the AD still down a lot. This drop here really pushed it. So we got quite a bit of room. It could be our savior once more, couple more days of pushing, and we'll certainly be tempted, winner and winner previously. But for now, let's just have a look at our journal, see what it's looking like after this week. Here be the journal, and as we know, it's bad news this week. New Zealand dollar Swiss franc added. That deep loss only took 19 hours and 52 minutes to get gone, for almost a full percentage as well. What a drop, and it pushes everything into the red. Down on the trades, down on the swaps, down overall. And you can see the balance underwater there, $9,948.38. So just over 0.5% down on the account. All we need is one good trade and we'll be right back in it. Got a strong feeling it is going to come on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Really gained a lot of faith in this one. Let's find out next week. We'll be back then.